So I've been expanding my collection to include some of these fantastic model kits that are coming out of China, and this is the latest one that I've added to my collection. This is ASGARD from a company called Eddas Entertainment. I think it came out in late 2024, and I was able to pick it up from a local hobby shop earlier this year, 2025. And so, yeah, we're going to take a look at what's inside. Um, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So, when I first saw this, there were a couple of things that I was interested in. First of all, the way it looks very sophisticated, and it kind of reminded me of Double Setter Gundam. The other thing is that I'm really into model kits with metal frames. So this one has some sort of metal frame. So yeah, I'm interested in finding out how they implemented that. The retail box packaging looks great, and on the inside there is an actual cardboard tray that holds all the parts together, so you can easily slide it out. And so we're going to go through them. So right off the bat, there is an amendment here to the instructions for putting it together, and there are a few steps here, and it looks somewhat complicated. So we're gonna just put it aside for now, and just go through all the different parts here. I want to mention that the color that you see in the video actually fairly closely resembles what's in the package, and I really like this blue-ish kind of pastel blue, I guess, color. It's very nice. Oh, there are some tiny screws here. I'm not a fan on screws, but anyway. So here is the gold-plated, I think it's gold-plated, or maybe it's just painted gold. But it's fairly well done. It's quite well done. It may actually be molded in gold. Like that? Maybe that's it. Yeah, I'm noticing that all these pieces, those pieces here, the orange and the pastel blue are sort of the same shape. So maybe you have an option to choose one or the other. And the frame itself, we're looking at all the details that are on the inside frame. And it's really well done. You can see that they really go crazy on the amount of details that they packed into these pieces. Very cool. And this one, yeah, I have to find out. Oh, these must be. At first, I thought those are like big pipes, exhaust pipes. It must be near the leg area. It must be a thruster. So here we have two clear parts here. For one of them is for the beam sabers. The other one is a lighter blue. Okay. I don't know if this is an industry standard or it's just something that they decided to do. But on the plastic tree here, there's a notation very similar to what Bandai has, and it denotes the month that this product was manufactured. You know those little dial things with the numbers inside that is attached to the tree? That's what they have. Yeah, it continues to have a lot of details. etched onto the different parts. And this here looks like these are maybe for the joints. And here is the part of the shield as well as part of the beam rifle. A weapon of some kind. Yeah, I guess these are just the armor on the outside. That's the part of the beam rifle. And the last two pieces were white parts. And then these two are actually light gray. So yeah, you can see the difference there. The figure is going to be in 100th scale, so quite substantial given the fact that there's so many components here. And as I was going through the parts, I noticed that there's a name actually printed on each one of these product trees. One of the names is of course ASGARD, which is the base Mac, if you will. The other name that's printed is Ragnarok. Ragnarok, I think in this case refers to the weapons system that it's on the back of the let's call it mobile suit. So I thought that was quite interesting. So here we are. Here is the stand for the figure, and it looks very robust, and it looks like it's using some sort of a ratcheting system to hold the figure in place. And that's the base for the stand. And here are the metal parts. I'm a little bit disappointed. That it's not an actual full frame, but they do give you metal parts for the joints, and it weighs quite a bit. And over here we have a foil sticker, as well as I think they are dry transfer decals on the other sheet. And here is the instruction manual. The instruction manual is in English as well as in Chinese. I like how they sort of organize it the same way as Bandai does. You have the parts list in front, and then all the step-by-step instructions. And at the end, there's the coloring guide as well, which is quite well done. And yeah, and that's it. That's the ASGARD from Eddas Entertainment. Thanks for watching.